put it inside the bagger.
This is the bomb site. Total bomb site. I've got Maxine in the barn in there, the dog. I'm in the hammock. We've got some visitors for the bumblebee tent and his and hers chairs.
Caught on camera, I can't not serious.
On camera?
No, that's on scene. Caught on camera, so it's serious. I think we're only doing the by one. Isn't it? Streaming it like. Special gloves on. Oh, actually, I thought they were leather gloves, like the workers' gloves. Excuse me. I don't want to carry on with that.
Start of a good fire. Some nice beef to be cooked on here and all. It's looking good.
£250. Oh, I think
Give you a break. Get myself on the video. All taking turns. Getting the old fire going. So on the wood. You wouldn't believe this saw. It's the same blade. I should have changed it really because it is getting a bit naffy now. But it's took 2 full trees down. One in my garden and one in Hammer. One in my mum's garden.
You look lovely next to that pink chair.
The suits, this colour suits us. Trying to well, in here, this is like a keep it secret, stealth. That's the word I'm looking for. Keep it stealthy.
It's not very stealthy.
And you've got a pink chair in a yellow tent. Anyway, yellow saw, like I suppose it comes with that. I'm going to get some wraps for this, so cover it up with camouflage.
It's hard work, this snapping the switch up.
Try and get a thicker twig here. Because you know, thin the twigs are just snapping. The fire's established, man. These thicker stuff on.
I know, but these a bit more then. Do you want me to do your bit, Paul?
I'll finish this one off and then you can chat away. You're sorting them twigs out like here?
Yeah, I'll do these big branches. No, look on.
That pink chair just suits the woods down to the ground like. Wind's picking up a little bit. It's forecast for about 39 mile an hour, but should be alright. Look at the size of that tree which he's cutting down.
Pull it towards you a bit, Cara, please. Pull it down that way a bit.
It's this, look. I've got a tree stuck there. Oh, not stuck there. I've stuck something like. You got right past the snow.
You can do a bit of this if you want. I'll give you these ones.
He's the sister. The sister-in-law.
Oh my god.
You've seen how like it.
Well, it's cutting.
Like butter. Did it snap me blade?
She's gonna snap your blade.
Oh God. Can't show how to use it.
I'm nearly through it.
Didn't use too long for that, man. No, rest on the.
You better cut that out.
That's swearing.
Aye.
I'll have to put a sense of beep in.
Nah, it's nearly cooked.
Kick it, it might snap off.
Have a cut, man. See, I'm
He's the dog gonna knock the camera. Sit back.
So
Well, I hope this is good viewing for you because seen how like it.
I'll do another one.
Give us some lessons.
I've just done that in 2 seconds, man.
Cara's doing more work than you.
Wasn't it good in con?
Domestics in the woods. There's that phone out. I've got to get some good video likes for this one. If you're watching this and you like, give it the thumbs up just for this bit.
Well, it's not her fault, she's an amateur.
Yeah, I need to be sure of it, to be honest. We shouldn't be picking on her.
I don't know. First time I've f***ing went camping and was picking on us.
Yeah, first time. But just for the viewing, we'll let her saw this one, then we'll show her how to do it properly.
Can you tell we're sisters?
Aye. Two ugly sisters.
I'm the younger one.
No, you know.
Yeah, I'll do some.
So yeah, well, I was through them, and now she wants to do it.
Yeah, I was just going to show you. Big long strokes with a saw. Use a full saw blade. You taking note? Here. Are you taking note? Just showing you how to saw, look.
Well, I've just done mine like that, man.
Sorry, Paul, I nearly got put there.
And me.
Right, we'll bring you back. So I think we've asked it out on the sawn of the wood. This is our dinner. We've got just thin pork sausages and what yours, Maxine? What you in there? Burgers?
Iron Age pig burgers.
Iron Age pig.
From Langthorns.
See the pretty colours of the camp? It's like a bloody camp bomb's gone off. See the tent, it's a bit sagging like, it's a bit dark with a picture. Put your hat on so we can see your face. That's why I'm sleeping. That's stupid there.
Look at them, they look bigger than mine. Not intelligent. No, they look more than mine.
So I've got my sports bra on.
It's outside sports bra. You just walked in like. Have you just walked in?
I've just walked into the camp. Just showing you the different tents we've got in today. It's a beauty, like. I'll have a spy of the beef.
Oh, I can't take you seriously with them too.
Stop f***ing looking at me tits.
You're only jealous because they're bigger than you.
I know.
Smells like they're in
Oh,
it.
it smells lovely.
I can smell them.
Got the beef in the Dutch oven. Start turning around the fire. Here are the. I can zoom up. Can't really see, I don't think. Not even a big gust. Got the tatties in now. So we've got beef. We're going to warm some frozen Yorkshires up. Gravy out of the beef. It should be good. I'll bring you back when you can see them. The gravy. That's the mashed tatty. Nice and hot. Looking nice. So this is the beef. Still really hot as hell. And the green ones. Love little teeth. Very nice. I'm using a slicing knife. Not many people who watches my channel and know what it is, unless you're into barbecuing. But as you can see, it's just falling to bits. I want all that string off. This is top rump, just in case you're wondering. We haven't got long because it'll soon get cold. It's looking nice. Could have had it on off a little bit earlier, to be honest. Some Yorkshire's done.
I've turned them, but
It'll take literally seconds because it's red hot. So that's it there, the finished article. If you can see it. It's hard to pick it up. Give you a better view. That's there. Finished article. There, I'm getting smoked out. Nice.
we tried the meat yet.
It's lovely. That gravy is nice, right, isn't it? Cheers, you like.
Meat's lovely.
Check it out.
Nice. This twat. What, like a freaking zombie?
Get that on camera, Paul. Just find
Fell over. Just found this
Tell you what, that's dangerous.
little beehive going on. Sweet. So we're heading back now after our walk. It's been good. Enjoyed it. We've had a lovely meal. So it's time to get back. My battery's run out, so I need a new battery and all, which is a bit crap, but never mind. Off we go. The wind's still blowing it. But it's even anyway. There you go. So, Catch you later.